791 British bombers raided Hamburg, Germany. It was revenge against Nazi Germany. Their mission was to destroy workers' housing, ports, factories, shipyards, which built submarines that threatened Great Britain. The codename was Operation Gomorrah, which comes from a city destroyed by fire in the Bible. Although the Germans had created an air defense, the bombers first released 92 million small strips of tinfoil, which confused the German radar. Then the bombers began to drop their bombs. The Allied bombers first dropped high-explosive bombs. The high explosives blew out all the windows, and the debris blocked the passage of firefighters through the city streets. Next, the bombers dropped incendiary bombs. Because there were many wooden buildings and the fire consumed all the oxygen, the fire created a huge firestorm with winds of up to 240 kilometers per hour, reaching temperatures of 800 degrees Celsius and up to altitudes of more than 300 meters. People were evacuated to bomb shelters, but because the firestorm sucked up all the oxygen in the bomb shelters became scarce. So many people died of carbon monoxide poisoning. The Allied operation lasted 8 days. 9,000 tons of American and British bombs were dropped, destroying over 250,000 houses and killing 37,000 people. 183 large factories were destroyed. 4,118 smaller factories were destroyed.